on down to Mokou's Grilled Bird Stand, where the bird is the word. Don't give me none of that business about mum's the word or the bird says mum, because the bird is dead and on my grill. Slide it in all your favorite sauces. Home-style teriyaki bird, outside world-style barbecue bird, ranch bird, free bird. Our beer-battered bird's the best. Boy, our spicy bird is so spicy, it might literally kill you. You like sour cream and onion? Well, I don't, so screw you. Or you can try our good old-fashioned plain grilled bird, and with the power of a phoenix, I could probably say everything is hand-grilled. So come down to Mokou's Grilled Bird Stand, located smack dab in the middle of the bamboo forest of the Lost.